Here we have two PlayStation 5 game consoles that came in for repair. Big Boss already disassembled both consoles, and I have two boards here. And based on first look on the board, I see a Hiroshima right here. Look at this. Take a look at this bombarded area. The second one is the same. I do not know which one is worse, the first or the second board. The second board does have an HDMI connector, but I can tell there's something going on inside. And I can tell from the back that it's been worked on and something is going on. Let's inspect board number one. Looks like we have one missing pad on the far left, right here. But what's impressive is we still have that component intact in its place. We still have this component. We still have this component. We still have this component. Usually when you see a Hiroshima like this component is gone, that component is gone, and God knows what else is gone. But we do have all the components on the board. We do have all the filters. And it looks like Flux reached all the way to this side of the board. And we have two missing components on the back. That's a diode and that's a capacitor. The console will work without them, but if I'm able to locate a similar diode, I'm going to solder it on and then we can replace this cap, no problem. Let's take a look at the second board. Which one is worse? I do not know what's going on under the pins. We may have missing pads under those pins. We have a missing cap right here. Or is that the same cap? We have a missing component, a missing cap right here also. And if we flip the board, what do we see? We see a missing diode. Let's start with the first board. We have to do both. I mean, how do we start when working with something like this? We start by cleaning up. We have to clean the mess that we see here. It looks like we may have something stuck inside. Apply hot air. I think it may be the leg still broken inside. Let's flip the board and we'll desolder from the back. I see it looks like we have a leg stuck inside. Right here. Maybe we can push it down. Flip the board. Right, and we're good. The area looks dark because of the type of flux used by whoever worked on it. I mean, you can see what I'm doing, but you cannot smell what I'm smelling. It does not smell good. It smells like burn. What a mess. What a mess. All right, that's enough. I think that's not a rip pad. I thought it was, but it's not. Yeah, it's not. Very nice. Show us a little bit of flux. Okay, so we're gonna have to replace the cap down on the bottom. No problem. That's a very tiny cap, and those caps are sold on our site along with everything else that we use. Flux, hot air stations, soldering stations, thermal cameras, microscope, grinding pan, tweezers. Everything is in stock, and orders almost always ship out same day. If you've ordered from us before, you know how fast shipping is. That component is tiny. And now we're gonna have to use our anti-glare light. Very nice. And we're gonna grab a PS5 HDMI connector. And now we're gonna press and hold and reflow that connector down in place. You see how solder liquefied? We can tell. And we can check right now. Are the pins solid? Pin number 1. Let me grab something finer. Solid, solid, solid. Very nice, very nice. Every single pin is making a very solid connection. And awesome. We did an amazing job. Look at how each pin is soldered down nicely, reflowed nicely with the pad under it. And right now all we have to do is flip the board and work on the legs. And for this one we need our anti-glare light, but let me just apply solder here first. And right over here. Awesome. All right, and we're all good. Let's grab a diode from the donor board. I'm gonna hand this over to Big Boss to assemble and test, and I'll be back to finish the video. Right, and let's check on Big Boss. He called me and he said he's almost ready. And let's go to the other side so we can see him and the monitor at the same time. Is it turning on? Yes. So we see the fan spinning, but we want to see something on the screen. No signal. Are we gonna get anything? Yes, yes, it's working. Amazing. Big Boss is the boss of all bosses. Man, we did so many devices today. So many devices. Oh, more stuff. I already have 5 boards on my bench.
On the Xbox S.
So we have an Xbox Series S HDMI connector. And I see a Nintendo Switch motherboard here. And I see a Nintendo Switch here. And he fixed an iPad 5th gen, 12.9 inch. And I do not know what else he did, but we did a lot. We did a lot. Awesome. Let me check on my dad. Is he doing his job? Packaging. Yes. All right, that's it. We're gonna end the video right here. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think, and we'll do something else in the next video.